It's important to remember when you are working with an ADA-compliant website that you must describe each item you are uploading or linking to in detail in the appropriate fields. This detailed information is read to the individual by a screen reader. Your description identifies exactly what it is or means to a person that cannot see what you are referring to. Let's talk about making your website's images ADA compliant. Head over to your website and then open a new tab and go to your CMS. Now let's find a page that has an image that's not ADA compliant. Here we have an image. It currently isn't ADA compliant. So now that we know it's in the City Council section of our CMS, let's go to the corresponding section. Right-click on the image and head to Image Properties. This is the key portion of making your image ADA compliant. This alternative text will tell the image reader what the image is about. It'll describe it. In this case, it's a picture of the City Council members, so we'll put City Council members. Now the next step is to hit Advanced and head over to the long description URL. Now we will type the same thing, City Council members, and hit OK. Scroll down to the bottom and hit Edit, and now let's refresh. The image is now ADA compliant. Now let's talk about making your links ADA compliant. Every link has an alternative text description of what the link does. The alternative text describes the purpose of the links, where it takes you, what it downloads, what it does. Let's find a link that's not ADA compliant. This Building and Safety Division link is not ADA compliant. You can tell because while I'm hovering over the link, there's no description. But this one is. Notice how when I hover over the link, it says exactly what the link tells you, City Attorney's Office. So the first step in making it ADA compliant is heading over to your CMS and find the corresponding page. In this case, it was Departments. So we'll hit Edit. We'll find the link. You'll hit this button right here, which is the Insert Edit Link button. Head over to Advanced, and right here in the advisory title, we're going to put a description, which is Building and Safety Division. Hit OK. Now we'll hit Edit, go back to the page and refresh. And now when we hover over the link, a description appears. Let's say you wanted to add a file to your website and make it ADA compliant. The first step in doing so is to find the page that you want to add the file to. In this case, we'll do it right here in the Latest News and Events section. Head over to your CMS and find the corresponding page. Hit Edit. We're going to add the file right here, so start typing out the description of your file. Now highlight the text and hit the Insert Edit Image button. Now head over to Upload, choose File, and find your file. And then hit Send it to the server. Now hit OK and go to the Advanced section. In the advisory title, write the description of the file. And hit OK. Hit Edit and head back to the page and refresh. Now you can see our link, and when you hover over the link, the ADA compliant description is there. Now let's make a form ADA compatible. Head over to your CMS Find the page where you want to add the table and go to the corresponding Edit tab. Let's add a quick table. We'll make a simple table with 3 rows and 2 columns. Now put a caption. And put a summary. Hit OK. Fill in your table. And hit Edit. Go back to your reference page and refresh. Now your table is ADA compatible.